Most all tents and any hammock with a bugnet has a zipper for getting in and out of the shelter. There are few things more frustrating than having the zipper start to separate after a number of years of use. You don't want to throw it away because the rest of it is perfectly good, but you also don't want to let bugs in at night. I recently discovered an easy fix for this that doesn't seem well known, and used it to revive my 15-year-old war bonnet hammock. The first order of business is to get rid of any misalignment of the zipper sides, because once you tighten the slider down, this will become more difficult. As shown here, moving the slider down to the misalignment and pulling on the side that's too long will align them when the zipper is fully opened. The root cause for the problem, and the key to fixing it, is the slider mechanism warps and separates over time, with the result that the zipper teeth don't align. To fix it, all you need is a needle nose pliers or a multi-tool. I don't recommend you use irregular pliers because the ridges can damage the zipper slider. Come in from the side that is separated, which is the narrow end of the slider. Gently use the pliers to slightly compress the slider. Don't use too much force because if you do, the slider will become difficult to operate. In fact, you may want to pick up some zipper lube and lube up the zipper as well. Voila! Fixed! So far, I've used this technique with 2 hammocks and a tent, and probably saved myself $500 in replacement costs for new shelters. I hope this little video saves you some money by extending the life of your camping shelters. Happy trails!